Talk to me.
Hey girl, hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is lachelletrends, and sis, in today's video I'm doing a get ready with me clean girl edition. Y'all, I have been wearing like this minimal makeup look lately and I love it, so I want to share it with you guys today. I will have everything of what I use linked in the description box below and or listed. So yeah, and as well as the outfit, because we're doing makeup, outfits, and hair 3-in-1. So yeah girl, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. On my channel I do fashion videos, hair videos, as well as playing makeup, so go ahead and join the gang, sis, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified of each video I post. So yeah girl, let's jump into it. So I'm starting off by filling in my brows using my Maybelline Brow Ultra Slim Pencil in the color Black Brown. Again, I'm going for a minimal makeup look, so I'm not filling them in all the way because I don't want them super dark. I'm just filling them in very lightly. And y'all, please do not mind the shape of my brows. I have not gotten them professionally done in, girl, maybe 7 to 10 years. I kind of just stopped going. But anyway, so now I'm going to go ahead and line them up just to try to define them. And I'll be using, again, my Maybelline concealer in the shade Tan, and it's the Fit Me concealer, and it's the number 45. So now I'm going in with some brow gel. I'm using the Anastasia's Brow Freeze, I believe it's called, and I'm just lightly putting some at the beginning of my brows because I like for my hairs to stand up, and then I'm going to take the rest of the product and put it in the rest of my brow. And again y'all, I took very minimal product, so it's not a lot on my brush. Now I'm just going in with my Sachet Buttercup setting powder, and this is to just like dim down the brow, just to mattify it and just make it just, I don't know, it just looks very natural when you do this. Now for foundation, I'm using yet again a Maybelline product, and this is their Super Stay foundation in the shades Toffee and Coconut. And again you guys, I'm just putting minimal products. If you need more coverage, of course put more, but I'm literally just not trying to wear a lot of makeup. Now I'm lining my lids using my Wet n Wild Breakproof liquid eyeliner in the shade Black. And sis, this eyeliner is just so easy to apply the liner. But anyway, so now I'm going to go ahead and start using, again, another Maybelline product. Is the concealer, the same Fit Me concealer, but this time in the shade 40. And I just want to brighten up my under eye just a little bit. Again, I'm not using that much product. After I get the product on, just in my highlighted areas that I want highlighted, I'm going to take a damp beauty blender and just begin to dab that into my skin. To get that airbrushed natural look, I'm going to take, again, some setting powder from Sachet Buttercup, and I'm going to set underneath my eyes. And as you can see, sis, I grabbed the bare minimum product, and it's, you know, it gets the job done. But anywho, so now I'm going in to contour using my Black Radiance contour palette in the shade medium to dark, and I'm just, you know, contouring my cheekbones and the places that I want contoured. Y'all, I just now thought about it. I didn't show you guys any of my products, so I'm showing you the blush that I'm using, which is the e.l.f. blush in the shade Dark. But yeah, I showed you my Black Radiance contour palette as well. Anywho, again, you already know the drill. We're taking minimal product and just placing that blush on our cheekbones. So now for lashes, I'll be using my I Envy lashes that I got from my local beauty supply store in the number 24. Y'all, these are real fluffy lashes and they're mink as well, and they're super cheap. Like, do not sleep on your local beauty supply store because they always have the good lashes. To line my lips, I'll be using my Kiss Professional Lip Liner in the shade Brown. Again, this is from my local beauty supply store, and I'm just going to use this to line my lips. The lippy for today is NYX's Butter Gloss. This is in Intense and in the shade Peanut Brittle. Y'all, this is just perfect, the perfect nude shade. And then I'm gonna go in with a gloss over it. Again, this is from my local beauty supply store. It's Kiss Coconut Oil, and y'all, I just love this oil, and it's super cheap. So now for this hair, as you can see, my pins had dropped, so some of the little bantu knots that I did had dropped. So anyways, I'm just pulling the rest of them out and then fluffing out the hair. My hair was kind of already pre-done because I slept like this overnight, and I just took my scarf off in the morning and touched up my edges, and we were basically already done. So for the outfit, we have some Nike sweatpants, a top from H&M, some Jordan 1 comfort shoes, some jewelry from Shopacure, just some real cute silver jewelry. My jacket's from Shein, and then the purse is from Zara, and then together we have the outfit. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye.